So in this video, I share a quick recipe on how to make ginger oil for thinning edges or bald hairline. So keep watching, and if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and like this video. So our hairline or edges are the most fragile part of our hair. They need serious care, they need more attention more than other parts of our hair. So to avoid losing hair or any form of breakage around our edges, we need to keep our edges super hydrated, super moisturized as regularly as possible. Keep your scalp, especially your edges, well moisturized. Dry scalp or dry edges cause breakage. So hydrate, you can use infused water like clove water, like hibiscus water, guava leaf water, among others, and moisturize with ginger oil or any kind of super moisturizing oil. But ginger oil is great for your edges because ginger has properties that can help stimulate hair growth. Ginger has properties that can also strengthen our hair follicles. It also has properties that can also stimulate blood flow around the scalp. So moisturizing with ginger oil will help to stimulate the hair follicles for fast hair growth. With little amount of this ginger oil, all you need to do is to massage your edges. Spend at least 5 minutes massaging the edges, not with the fingers, because fingers can kind of injure your bruise or injure your scalp. Use your palm, your palm, and massage your edges gently for at least 5 minutes. You can choose to do this 2 or 3 times in a week and keep your hair well hydrated and moisturized, and then avoid any kind of tension around the edges, any form of tension. Our edges are very fragile and they don't need any kind of tension around there, like no tight hairstyle or tight braid. They should be avoided. Now in this blender, I added half a cup of my ginger, half a cup of my coconut oil, and coconut oil here is optional. You can choose almond oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, and other several oils. Just choose any oil that works best for you. So right after blending, I transferred to my pot and then transferred to my stove. In a low heat, I stir for about 5 minutes, and once the texture becomes translucent, that's a sign that it is ready. I bring it down, I allow it to cool, then transfer to my bottle and use as desired. To also boost the potency of this ginger oil, you can add tea tree essential oil, rosemary essential oil, or any oil, essential oil of your choice, or even Jamaican black castor oil. You can add either or mix them up to boost the potency of this oil if you desire. Now when it comes to regrowing our edges, a lot of other factors need to be considered, such as hydrating our scalp from inside out. Drinking water regularly is a sure way to hydrate our scalp from inside out. Also, mindful application of products that can ruin our edges also should be considered. Product like hair gel, hair glues should be used occasionally. Regular use of hair gels or hair glues ruin our edges as well. And using harsh product around the edges, harsh shampoos like shampoos containing sulfate should also be avoided, because our hairline or edges are very fragile, and so they need to be well cared for, and also they don't need any form of stress. They don't need to be stressed in any way. So maintaining a clean, healthy scalp is also a vital way to help regrow our edges. So avoid any kind of harsh chemicals around the scalp or edges. I have a video that will be coming up soon that details more about clean, healthy scalp. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I have videos and tutorials that will help you embrace your hair and fall in love with your natural hair. So see you soon in the next video. Stay healthy.